Assalamualaikum. I am Sania. Greetings to all of you. Today my mother is making one of her signature dish which is known as tahiri, comprising rice and potatoes blended with some herbs and spices. In this price hike era in which running household affairs within a specific budget is becoming more and more difficult, where inflation is at its peak, preparing a budget friendly meal is becoming inevitable. So keeping that in mind, I am sharing with my viewers a very economical and budget friendly recipe. Now viewers, let's get to the recipe. The required ingredients are, as we are making servings for 6 to 8, so we need half kg of rice and half kg of potatoes. Here we have one medium sized onion. We will slice the onion. 3 to 4 large green chilies, 3 large sized tomatoes or 2, and 1 plus 1 tsp of ginger and garlic paste. And viewers, for the recipe, we keep the rice soaked in water for half an hour before adding it to the tenderized potato curry. And viewers, for the recipe we need the following whole spices: 2 bay leaves, few curry leaves, and 4 black peppercorns, star anise 1 and half, and 2 large cardamoms, and 4 cloves, and 2 1-inch cinnamon sticks. Peel off the potatoes and cut into slices, and soak the sliced potatoes in some water. Now viewers, quickly wash the rice 3 times and keep the rice soaked in water for half hour before adding it to the tenderized potato curry. And viewers, the amount of water in which we have soaked our rice is 2 cups. Now starting the recipe with turning on the flame. Now pour half cup of oil into the pan. Sliced onion. Viewers, fry the sliced onion until golden brown. Viewers, you can see our sliced onion has turned golden brown. Now at this point add potatoes. Saute for few seconds and then add tomatoes, ginger and garlic paste 1 plus 1 tsp, 4 large green chilies, all the whole spices, one tsp of cumin seeds, one to 2 tsp of red chili powder, 1 tsp of coriander powder, and half tsp of turmeric, half tsp of chicken powder. Viewers, don't forget the salt, 1 tsp of salt, saute for a few minutes Now add 2 glasses of water and let the potatoes cook until softens. It normally takes 15 to 20 minutes for the potatoes to soften. Now moving on to the tomato sauce with which we serve our tahiri. Viewers, it's a very easy and tasty sauce. Incorporate 3 tsp of red chili flakes, 1 tsp of garlic paste, 1 tsp of cumin seeds, 1 tsp of salt. Now pulverizing with the help of stone slab. Adding enough water to form a smooth paste. For this tomato sauce, we will need 4 large sized tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes into small slices like this. Now viewers, add the pulverized ingredients to the diced tomatoes. Turn on the flame and add and 1/4 cup of oil, and add half glass of water so that our tomatoes can tenderize. Now cook the sauce until well combined. Add in half tsp of salt. Our tomato sauce is ready. Now turn off the flame. As you can see viewers, within 20 minutes our tomato sauce is ready. And viewers, when you are adding rice, make sure the amount of water you add is just above 1 inch from the surface of rice and potatoes. This much. Add the soaked rice. Mix gently. Add in 1 tsp of salt. And viewers, it takes only 10 to 15 minutes for the rice to get ready. So viewers, 7 to 8 minutes have passed. Shuffle the rice gently. Let the rice cook for few more minutes. Now viewers, 10 minutes have passed. As you can see, mother is shuffling gently. Now viewers, place the flat pan on the stove. And put the pan on the flat pan. And let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Turning the flame to medium. You can see the flame is medium low. On medium low flame, let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now viewers, you can see our tahiri is ready to be served. If you like our content, please give it a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe. Inshallah, I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.